Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to discuss on this Psiphon VPN, which was previously one of the best free VPN before they added the subscription that we can't use the VPN free anymore. We have to pay for it. Let's open the VPN. The VPN is available in Play Store. So if you just head over to your Play Store and search for Psiphon Pro, yes, you see it right here. So this is fast, reliable, and secure. This is why this VPN is like top among the free ones, is that it uses both the VPN and HTTP, which all those previous VPN we are using do not support all that. So this VPN is secure with all that, so that's why we use the VPN before. If you are into survey and all these side hustles, you should have known about this this VPN, because it usually bypass about 1/3 of the sites. So if you open it currently, if you open it now and want to start, it will so let's try and connect it again. Alright, so let me change the server. Here, let me use United Kingdom, and okay, and click on start. And you can see I'm using the VPN for free. Like, let me show you now. Let me show you guys something. My location. You can see London. So I'm using this VPN for free. If you try it in yours, it will be paid. They'll ask you to subscribe. So in this video, I will show you the full tutorial on how to get it and bypass all the payments. So let's get started. Let me stop this app. So instead of uninstalling it and installing, what I'll just do is, let me just uninstall it and uninstall this too. So let's do everything afresh for you guys to see. So let me head over to my Play Store and install the app again. Alright, so after installing, let's open and accept. Yes. So as you can see, this is how the VPN, and you can see it's showing us the speed limit is just 2 MB. We have to, when you click on update now, it's asking us to pay a sum of 3,600 monthly, free trial for 7 days, and blah blah blah. So, and if you click on start and you say okay, let's hold on. Right now, alright, so you can see that it's asking us, the limit is 2 MB. So I don't think it will last more than 2 minutes, and they will ask you to pay for the subscription, which is even eventually here that so to bypass this, we need the app called is it Conduit. So we need Conduit this app. All right, this conduit right here, so we install it. Let's go, and as you can see, it's even already starts stopping by itself because the 2 MB limit is just don't know. So let's install this app. You install this app, yeah. So after installing, you open the app first. All right, click on next and begin. Allow. So you just tap on this conduit and conduit station running. All right, now it's running, right? So after you tap on it and it's running, that's when you go to your feed phone. Let's and open again. So if you start it, now you can see how it is. The connection interface has even changed and you are connected to Netherlands. And so after connecting, what this conduit do is it makes this VPN unlimited. Instead of this 2 megabytes per second, it makes the browsing unlimited. So which means you can browse unlimited with it and you won't have any payment restriction option. So now after we have done this, let me show you why I said this VPN is actually one of the best free VPNs. So let's stop this. I will use the previous paid VPN I'm used to using, which is this Mysterium. So now let's connect to United Kingdom. All right, we are connected, and let's try to open this survey app and see. So you can see, please make sure you deactivate any VPN or proxy server on your phone router in order to use IP. So as you can see, so now let's disconnect this and connect to, yeah, let's connect and see. Let me show you. All right, we are connected. Now let's go back to the same app and open. You can see the app has opened using the Psiphon. That's why I say this VPN is one of the best VPN out there. It's just among one of the best. So if you are also into survey and this, I guess this VPN is good for you to use in your side hustle. Try out this survey. If you are using the VPN and you think it stops due to the payment of this thing, this option is for you. And if you are yet to start using this VPN, I will recommend you start using it. You add it to your VPN list. Thank you.